Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you are preparing well. Today we are going to discuss a time and work for bank, SSC, railway and other competitive examinations. Please be ready with the pen and paper. And before we start our discussion, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Time for Bank SSC CGL. And click on the bell icon so that you get a notification of all the videos that are uploaded on this channel. Let's begin our session. Here directions are given. Select the correct alternative from the given choices. Now look at the first question. 24 men can do a piece of work in 35 days. How many men are required to complete the work in 21 days? My dear students, here I'm going to use total man days concept. Just look at the simple formula here. Men, days, hours, and work of the first group comparing with the second group. 24 men. 24 men, they are completing in how many days? 35 days. Okay. Now what to find? How many men are required to complete the work in 25 days? How many men? Means number of men to be found. So I'm taking here X number of men. What is the number of days? 21 days. What is the formula I'm using here? M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Okay. Now simplify. 7. It goes 3 times. Here 5 times. What about 3 in 24? It goes exactly 8 times. Dear students, if you observe this carefully, 8 into 5. 8 into 5, that is a 40. So how many men are required means 40. Now the right choice, option 2. Second choice is the correct answer. Okay. Now look at the next example on your screen. Okay. X men can do a work in 120 days. If there were 20 men less, the work would have taken 60 days more. What is the value of X? Yes, my dear students, same formula. M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. X men means number of men is X. How many days? Here, 120 days. So X men can complete a work in 120 days. Then if 20 men were less, means number of men is less by 20. Means here M2 is equal to X minus 20. What happened? The work would have taken 60 days more. 60 days more means already 120 days. Now 60 days more means 120 plus 60, that is 180 days. M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. Simplify, you will get the value of X. Simplifying here. What is that? 6 here. How many times? 60. 2 times. 60 here. 3 times. 2X is equal to 3X minus 60. By taking variables on one side, numbers other side, the X value is equal to 60, means the choice 1 is the right answer. Right choice is option number 1. Now look at the next example on your screen. My dear student, watch this video till the end because we are going to discuss very good examples in this session. Okay. 3 men can do a job in 2 days. 3 men can do a job in 2 days. How many days will it take for 5 men to do a job 2.5 times the previous job? Here, men, days, and work is given. So what is the formula I'm going to use? M1 D1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 by W2. 3 men. How many days? 3 men can do a job in how many days? 2 days. How many days will it take for 5 men? 5 men. How many days? What about the work? Now the work, new job here. The job is 2.5 times the previous job. So 2.5 means 2.5 W. Yes, my dear students, simplify this. W and W gets cancelled. Now 2.5. 2 times, that is a 5. And 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Now the number of days, that is 3. Right choice option 3. Third choice is the right answer. Okay. Now, moving forward here. Two persons A and B can complete a piece of work in 30 and 45 days respectively. If they work together, what part of the work will be completed in 3 days? So, in 1 day, A can complete how much here? 1/30. He worked for how many days? 3 days. So, what part of the work is completed? 3/30. What about the B? B in 1 day he can finish 1/45. Worked for 3 days. So, what part of the work is completed? 3/45. Now, what part of the work completed by these two, A and B, in these 3 days? Simplify, you will get answer. 3 here, it goes exactly how many times? 15 times. LCM 30. So 3 plus 2, that is 5/30. 5/30 means it is 1/6. 1/6 part of the total work completed by A and B in 3 days working together. So what is answered here? 1/6, right choice, option 3. Third choice is the correct option. Now look at the next example. A is twice as fast as B. A is twice as fast as B. If B alone can do a piece of work in 30 days, what is this 2:1? This is the efficiency ratio. If B alone can do a work in 30 days, means now the number of days taken by B is equal to 30. The number of days. And in what time A and B together can complete the whole work? My dear students, efficiency and days, these two are inversely proportional. Now I am here using again the total man days concept, that is a M1 D1 is equal to M2 D2. B alone can complete in 30 days, means now 1 into 30 is equal to A and B together. Together means sum of these two, that is 3 into number of days. M1 D1 M2 D2. Simplify, 3 here, it goes exactly 10 times. Now the answer for this question is 10 days. Right choice, option 1. First choice is the right answer. Okay. Now, example 6 on your screen. A and B working together can do a piece of work in 40 days. A and B together work for 20 days. And then A left the work. Together can complete a work in 40 days. They worked for 20 days, then A left. What happened here? B alone completed the remaining work in 80 days. In how many days can B alone can complete the whole work? Very simple. 1 day work of A and B. In 1 day, A and B can complete 1/40. They worked for 20 days, means half of the work completed by A and B. Out of the total work, half of the work is completed, means remaining half work. That remaining half completed by B in how many days? 80 days. Then what about the total work? The total work he can finish in how much time? Half work 80 days, full work means it is 160 days. Right choice, option 2. Second choice is the right answer. Option number 2. Second choice is the correct answer. Okay. Now look at the next example. A, B, and C can do a job in 24 days, 30 days, and 40 days respectively. In how many days can they finish it if they work together? Working together, 1 day work of A, that is 1/24. 1 day work of B, 1/30. 1 day work of C, that is 1/40. What I am doing here, just I am adding 1 day work of A, 1 day work of B, 1 day work of C to find out 1 day work of all the 3 members. Dear students, LCM of all these denominators is 120. 24, it goes exactly 5 times. 30, 4 times. and 40 3 times by adding 12 by 120. 12 by 120, that is equal to 1 by 10. What is 1 by 10? 1 day work. In 1 day, all the three, A, B, and C, completed 1 by 10th part of the work. So what is the total time? Total time is 10 days. So what is the right choice? Option 4. Choice 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Shall we move to next example? Yes. Wages for 30 women is rupees 60,000 for 36 days. How many men must accompany 40 women to complete the job in 18 days? Given that a man earns double that of a woman. A man earns double that of woman. Means the efficiency of a man is 2 times of the efficiency of woman. Okay. Now 30 women. 30 women. They are completing it in how many days? 36 days. Completing the same work here. Now 1 man is equal to 2 women capacity. Now how many men are required? How many men are required here? The number of men accompanied with the 40 women means, now let us assume X men. Accompanied with the X men, accompanied with the 40 women in order to complete the work in 18 days. Now 1 man is equal to 2 women. 1 man is equal to 2 women means here in place of X men, I am using 2X. What you will get? 30 into 36 is equal to 2X plus 40 into number of days. Simplify. 18, exactly 2 times here. Solving this. 60 is equal to 2X plus 40. The value of 2X is equal to 20. By taking numbers on one side, variables on other side, then simplify, you will get the value of X, that is number of men. So how many men here? The number of men is equal to 10. Right choice, option 2. Second choice is the right answer. Look at the next example on your screen. Pipe A can fill a tank in 6 hours. Due to leak at the bottom, it takes 9 hours for the pipe A to fill the tank. In what time can the leak alone can fill the tank? Dear student, one is a filling pipe, other is an emptying pipe. So filling pipe can fill in 6 hours. Because of the leak at the bottom, it took 6. Now become 9. My dear students, one is the filling pipe, another is the emptying pipe. What is the capacity of the one of the 2 pipes by using this data? Means just observe product by difference. Product of the values by difference. So product means 6 into 9. The difference is equal to 3. Solving this, here it goes exactly 2 times. 2 into 9, that is 18 hours. 18 hours means choice 3. Third choice is the correct answer. Okay. Next. What is the concept is 1 by 6 minus emptying pipe is equal to 1 by 9. This is the concept. Okay. Look at the next example on your screen. Pipe A can fill a tank in 16 minutes. Pipe B can empty it in 24 minutes. If both the pipes are open together, after how many minutes should pipe B be closed so that the tank is filled in 30 minutes? Dear students, if you observe this question carefully, the pipe A is working from begin to end. Pipe B is started along with A, but after some time it was closed. We need to close. If B can be closed after some time. At what time it should be closed? B should be closed after some time. Now here, pipe A is working from begin to end. Pipe B worked for only a certain period of time. Now, in 1 minute, it can fill 1 by 16. It worked for 30 minutes. A is a filling pipe, B is an emptying pipe, leakage pipe. So, which can empty the tank in 24 minutes. How much time? Here, let us assume X. What is that? By opening these two, now the tank was full in 30 minutes. Pipe A is working for 30 minutes, pipe B worked for only X minutes. The result is completion of the total work. Solving this by taking variables on one side, X by 24 is equal to 30 by 16 minus 1. When you subtract 30 by 16 minus 1, the result is 14 by 16. Simplify 8 exactly 2 times here, whereas in 24, 3 times. What about 2? 7 times in 14. The value of X is equal to 3 into 7, that is 21. What is the answer? Choice 5. Fifth choice is the right answer. Okay. My dear students, please join, subscribe our Time for Bank Exam channel here. That is to get the more content videos, concept videos on the various examinations like bank, SSCCGLE, insurance, railway, and other related examinations. Social media channels, Telegram channel, YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook. The links are given in the description box. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. For classroom coaching, to contact your nearest time center. For online courses, you can enroll at t4e.info/bank-ssc online. Take the next step towards your dream with time. For queries, visit us on this and write to us at this mail ID. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.